This episode dives into the science of sneezes and the surprising airflows that fling droplets across a room. When a sneeze erupts, the body's warm, moist air forms a jet that carries droplets up to several meters. These droplets follow a spiral, turbulent path driven by the initial burst and by room air currents, explaining why masks help. By comparing it to a puff from a balloon, viewers learn diffusion, momentum, and how humidity changes droplet speed. The lesson ends with practical tips for staying safe in shared spaces while appreciating the physics that makes sneezes so dramatic.